Hello guys, here's Adam from ESA. Welcome to Foshan Tianpuan Building Materials Technology Limited Operations. Our company has been in this steel structure manufacturing industry for more than 10 years, and our company has established in 2008, which has undertaken numerous projects for many different countries. And today is my great honor to be here to make a tour guide about our factory and the company. So without further ado, let's get started.
We can also provide design expertise, construction knowledge you need to build your custom building in a short time and within your budget, and help you to achieve the balance between quality, function, and cost. We committed to provide first-class quality and professional sales service to adapt to the changing needs of our customers and the environment.
Now let's move to our showroom. And in this part, I will show you some different kinds of materials and the design of our door and windows to you.
We offer our clients a full design and build package, an efficient and cost-effective service on all steel fabrication and construction projects.
Our prefabricated steel building is specifically designed to meet all wind load, snow load, and seismic requirements for the specific area in which the building is to be erected, as well as other requirements related to the performance of the structure.
All the primary framing pieces are cut, welded, drilled, and painted at our factory for fast bolt-together assembly at the construction site. The remaining framing components and roof and wall panels attached with self-drilling screws.
Here is our prefabricated villa. I really love the designs and the decoration of this place. What's more, we can also provide you the steel-framed wall panels, wall decorations, roof, window, and door to you. Here is our another factory. We made the 3D and processing production detail drawing by AutoCAD. And in this part, I will show you the production procedure to you.
We had undertaken numerous projects for more than 13 countries, such as warehouse, factory buildings, farm shacks, steel beam elements for housing, and etc. The production procedure included CNC cutting the exact size for different types of steel plates, connection plates, production drilling holes, H-beam assemble, riveting and welding H, submerged arc welding H-beam, H-beam straightening, connection parts welding on the steel structure frame, steel structure frame shoot blasting, sanding 2.5, spray painting. The color follow the customer requirements. All of our engineers have at least 10 years of experience in this industry. By the way, if you have any inquiry, contact us today to discuss how we can support your requirements and deliver top-notch solutions to you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.